Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today, I'll explain how to apply multiple materials. Let's begin! Let's start! This time, I'll explain how to apply multiple materials to one object like this. Set the material in the first slot. This time, I set the yellow material. Set the blue material in the second slot. In this state, only the initially set yellow material is reflected in the object. Now, let's assign the blue material to one of the side face. Switch to Edit Mode. Select the side to which you want to apply the material. Select the material slot. Select Assign. Be careful because this item only appears in Edit Mode. Multiple materials have been applied like this. This is the end of the lecture on how to apply multiple materials. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye.